Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, I'm going to unbox A50s Samsung Galaxy. But before anything else, please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment, and please click the notification button so you will be notified when I have a new video to upload. Guys, so we are going to unbox this. So I'm going to unbox A50s Samsung Galaxy. So guys, yes. So they have a different color. They have purple, but I get the usual color, black. Unisex. So this is so here inside they have the guide how to use it. This is the guide. Give the guide. And free cover. They give a free cover. And also here there is a charger, the pin, and the earpiece. So they give this as a free. So guys, this is the new A50s. So guys, this is how it looks like. The size, it says here. Look guys, if you can see here, this is 4G and the size is 6.4. Wow, it's very wide, full rectangle. And the internal memory, guys, this is a good thing, 128 GB memory and 6 GB RAM. So this is quite good, very fast. So guys, look, and the camera, 32 MP front camera and 48 MP plus 5 MP plus 8 MP triple rear camera. So look, triple. Very nice guys. I like it. Oh, I want to buy one. Actually, this is not mine. This is for my auntie. She's very lucky. So guys, that's it. Right? I like it. It's not very heavy and at the same time it's not also very thin. Just nice. And it's a full screen. And you can use your fingerprint. Really good, guys. So that's it. If you like my video guys, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So that's all guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time. Bye.